Oh, hold on.
Yes, let me ask you. You're using Head and Shoulders, right?
Thanks. And I subscribe to my regular shampoo.
You should use it every wash. Otherwise, the place will come back.
He's right.
Is that Tiny Troy?
The ingredients in Head and Shoulders keep the microbes that cause flakes out of it.
Microbes, really?
They're always on your scalp.
Little rascals. The good news.
Last year, at about 6:37 a.m., I tried to commit suicide. An interesting thing about that day was it was my birthday. You know, the interesting thing about holidays, whether it be Valentine's Day, Christmas, Thanksgiving, is it's a reminder for me, probably one of the most depressing reminders that I'm alone. And in that moment of desperation at 6:37 a.m., 15 beer bottles staring at me, tray of cigarette ashes, smoke-filled room. After having probably one of the most emotionless sexual experiences I've ever had, I was empty. I went to the bathroom, I stared in the mirror, looked at myself, I was flustered, covered in tears. And then a weird thing happened. My eyes were dry because I felt so empty. I couldn't even, my tear ducts were empty. Because I had cried so much throughout my life, I was done. I opened up a bottle of pills and I stared at it. For a good 10, 15, 30 minutes, 45, maybe upwards to an hour 30. I just looked at it. And it looked back at me. And deep down, I knew there wasn't a shot in hell I was taking those pills. I just knew it. I was like not even close. And in my bottommost moment, I saw the fucking light for the first time in my life. And I left that hotel, and I had one of the happiest moments in my life. One of the happiest days. Lovely. Work. No. Up. There we go. No, down. Okay, there we go. Come on, motherfucker. Oh, motherfucker. Oh, shit. Hi, Mom.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey, Shorty, it's your birthday. You're a smarty, and it's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. A happy birthday to you, a happy birthday to you. May you feel Jesus near every day of the year. A happy birthday to you, a happy birthday to you. And the best year you've